that they're changing my voice. This video is about the healthcare bill in California. It is stupid for them to not add at least $12 billion to the bill and to include millionaires with a progressive tax, a hyper-progressive tax, right? An on-average tax. Why? Because you want $10 billion to build tiny homes for the homeless. So another $2 billion for food programs for the homeless for a time and for oversight. $1 billion for oversight. Oversight for the program in general, especially the healthcare sector. Maybe $500 million or more to hire more law enforcement to crack down on the healthcare sector, to make sure that everything's on the up and up and that things are done in a cost-effective manner. You should also raise the penalty for healthcare fraud in the state of California, ideally federally, in the whole country, what have you. Also, you should have vice taxes and luxury taxes that bring in somewhere between $2 and $4 billion a year, ideally $4 billion a year, to build rehabs. And law enforcement should aggressively crack down on homeless encampments and lock people up who are in possession of a controlled substance, who are under the influence, what have you, and they should go through the court system and be assigned to those rehabs for at least 6 months. Okay, depending on the situation. First offense 6 months, second offense a year, what have you. These are no-brain solutions. And when the rich, like Sergey Brum, say that they don't want to live in a socialist state, you simply have to make it clear to them that there's a difference between raising taxes in a logical way and a socialist state that takes away all their money. It's very simple. And they should interview him and ask him, is he arguing that rich people should be allowed to hoard money in a system where everyone knows the poor are being exploited? Okay, not just communists, everyone knows that. Most Republicans want wealth taxes as well. Is his argument that they should be able to hoard money with impunity and just say, hey, if we raise taxes on the rich, they might work toward a socialist system and leave it at that while people suffer? Okay, because that's way different than not wanting to live in a socialist system. That's wanting to be a greedy slave master monster. It's not the same thing.